Welcome back, everybody, on your next homework assignment on irony. Today we're going to look at 3 different types of irony, and we're going to go ahead and get started. What exactly is irony? Irony is when the reader expects one thing and then the opposite happens. We see this a lot with TV shows and movies where we're expecting something to happen at the end, but there's usually a twist. In other words, this is called situational irony, when we're really waiting in anticipation, but it's not exactly what we thought. As an example, a man who is a traffic cop gets his license suspended for unpaid parking tickets. It's ironic because we would expect that the traffic cop would follow the rules, but he doesn't. The next type of irony is verbal irony. And the definition of this, it occurs when a character says one thing but means something else. In other words, sarcasm. When someone's sarcastic with you, they mean one thing, but it usually comes out sounding like another. For example, if a student asks Miss Spore, what are we doing today? And Miss Spore replies, nothing, because obviously that's sarcastic. We don't come to class and do nothing. The last and final version of irony is dramatic irony. And this occurs when the reader or viewer knows something that a character does not know. When we're watching TV and we see something but another character doesn't know about it, this is dramatic irony. As an example, we all watch scary movies. As an audience member, you realize that if a character walks into an abandoned warehouse, chances are a killer is waiting. But because you are a member of the audience, you cannot disclose the information to the character. As your homework assignment tonight, create your own example of irony using any of the 3 types discussed earlier. This can be a real example from your own life, or it can be from a movie or TV show that you remember. Make sure you identify the type of irony on top of the page. Also, this is a reminder to go ahead and take notes from the beginning of the slide to get full credit. Have a good evening.